Here's the problem: your CRM decays all by itself. Contacts change roles, companies rebrand, and emails go stale. Marketing Sherpa research, quoted by HubSpot, commonly pegs B2B database decay at about 2.1% per month. That's roughly a quarter of your list per year. Add duplicates, and now your pipeline reports are fiction. And hard bounces? They can directly harm deliverability. SendGrid recommends keeping hard bounces under 5%. Here's the Autopilot pipeline. First, you ingest data from forms, imports, and integrations. Then you standardize and validate. Next, dedupe with matching rules and survivorship. Only then do you enrich. Finally, you score and route leads with human review for edge cases. Step 0 is boring, and it's the reason most automations fail. Normalize before you do anything else: lowercase emails, strip domains, standardize company names, and format phones consistently. Then add validation gates so bad records don't poison the system. If you protect deliverability by reducing hard bounces, your outreach performs better. Great deduping is less about fancy AI and more about discipline. Create match levels. Exact matches can merge automatically. Strong matches can merge with guardrails. Anything fuzzy goes to a review queue. Then define survivorship, which record wins on key fields, how you preserve attribution, and how you avoid overwriting good data with junk. Most CRMs support matching, and duplicate rules use them. Enrichment is powerful and dangerous. The fix is simple: treat enrichment like a data product. Only enrich high signal fields. Store where the value came from, how confident you are, and when it was last verified. That way your automations can ignore stale or low confidence enrichment, and you stay aligned with accuracy expectations for personal data. Lead scoring fails when it's magic. Instead, use an explainable model. Fit is how well the lead matches your ICP. Intent is what they're signaling right now. Engagement is what they did with your outreach. Pick simple weights, store the reasons on the record, and review monthly against closed one. HubSpot's guide is a good starting point for structuring scores. Routing is where Autopilot creates speed. High scores go straight to sales within slot. Mid scores go to nurture and get rescored. Anything low confidence goes to a review queue with evidence, diffs, and one-click actions. Humans shouldn't hunt for context, the system should present it. Your dashboard turns hygiene into an operating system. Track uniqueness, completeness, freshness, validity, merge accuracy, and enrichment hit rate. Most teams don't need perfection, they need trend control. When a KPI drifts, trigger the right job dedupe sweep, re-verify emails, or re-enrich stale accounts. Here's a rollout that actually ships. In 2 days, define required fields, source of truth priorities, and match rules. Next, implement standardization and validation. Then dedupe with survivorship. Add enrichment with confidence tracking, and finally scoring, routing, and dashboards. Start by preventing new mess, then clean the backlog in batches. Watch out for predictable failures, auto-merging fuzzy matches, enriching before validation, opaque scoring, and running blind with no monitoring. The fix is always the same: guardrails, explainability, and KPIs. Here's your quick checklist. If you normalize, validate, dedupe, enrich carefully, score explainably, and monitor the right KPIs, your CRM becomes a self-healing system, not a graveyard. Subscribe for more automation playbooks on AI Business Autopilot.